Welcome back to Ballroom Feed. It's so good to see you again. So this is a Foxy pattern strung together, all the basic patterns for you in a way that could work in a small floor. Let's get into it.
Okay, this is basic Foxy for a small floor. So all the free patterns here just put together back to back in a way that would work, that you could repeat over and over again to use in a small floor. You could always lead and follow these patterns if this is one little amalgamation or routine you could use. So we started with the cradle pattern first. So I did one cradle, which doesn't travel at all. And then I did one forward basic for me, and then did right away again the back basic, so it keeps us stationary again, but then one more forward basic, and then I did one promenade, and then two left turns. All that does is get me to turn around now. I didn't take up too much space, and I could repeat the whole thing again. So from the other direction, one cradle step, which is 6 counts, one forward basic, one back basic, my second forward basic, a promenade, and then two left turns will get me back again to face the front, and I can repeat that whole sequence over and over if leading and following isn't super comfortable and you're looking for an easy way to put the basic patterns together in a small floor. This is one way to do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please check out all of our social media, check out all of our other wedding stuff. We've got also some club stuff as well, so check it out. We also have a Ballroom Feed Pro section on our website, which has much, much more. We have choreography that we're just putting out and a whole bunch more stuff, so go check it out if you want to see more.
And the more advanced Foxy patterns.